Stop installing screen recorders. You're about to download yet another screen recorder app. Stop. Your Android phone already has a powerful, native screen recorder built right in. It handles audio sources, resolution, bitrate, and even quick edits without a single download. Today I'll show you exactly where it's hiding and how to unlock its full potential. Why third-party apps fall short. Third-party recorders ask for unnecessary permissions, show watermarks, limit recording time, or crash mid-session. They can't access protected content like DRM video or secure banking screens, but the system recorder can. Plus, they eat storage with bloated installers while the native tool uses zero extra space. What you need? Nothing extra. Here's the best part. You need absolutely nothing. No apps, no PC, no cables, no developer mode. Any Android 11 or newer device has this built in. That's phones from the last 4 years. If you're on Android 10, check your manufacturer's quick settings. Samsung, Xiaomi, and others backported it. Find the hidden quick settings tile. Swipe down twice from the top of your screen to open the full quick settings panel. Look for the screen record tile. It's often hidden on the second or third page. If you don't see it, tap the pencil icon to edit tiles, then drag screen record into your active set. This one step unlocks everything. Choose your audio source. Tap the screen record tile. A dialog appears with audio options. Device audio captures game sounds, videos, and system alerts. Microphone records your voice for narration. Both merges them for tutorials. Pick what fits your use case. You can change this every time you record. Set resolution and bitrate. Before hitting start, tap the gear icon or long press the tile to open advanced settings. Choose 1080p for most users, 720p saves space, 4K is overkill unless you're archiving. Bitrate defaults to high, drop to medium for longer recordings. Frame rate locks at 30 or 60 depending on your device. Record like a pro. Hit start, a 3-second countdown begins. A floating control bubble appears, drag it anywhere. Tap it to pause, resume, or stop. Swipe down to reveal the persistent notification with the same controls. For clean footage, enable Show Touches in Developer Options to display tap indicators, great for tutorials. Native versus third-party, the result. Here's what you get. A clean MP4 file in your movies or screen recordings folder, no watermark, no time limit, no ads. File sizes are efficient. A 10-minute 1080p recording sits around 150 megabytes. Third-party apps often double that with lower quality. The native recorder also captures secure screens that apps simply can't touch. Common mistake: forgetting Do Not Disturb. The number one ruinous mistake? Notifications popping up mid-recording. Before you start, swipe down and enable Do Not Disturb, or long press the screen record tile and toggle Hide Notifications if your device supports it. This keeps your footage clean and professional without extra editing. Quick edit without any app. Open the recording in Google Photos, tap Edit, then Crop to trim start and end points. Use Markup to draw arrows, circle buttons, or add text overlays. Save a copy, the original stays untouched. For deeper cuts, the built-in video editor in Photos handles multi-clip timelines, transitions, and music, all free, all native. Your recording checklist. Before every session, add the tile to quick settings, pick your audio source, set 1080p at high bitrate, enable Do Not Disturb, and do a 5-second test recording. Verify the file saves to your movies folder. That's it, You're now recording better than 90% of tutorial creators who still rely on bloated apps. Start recording now. You have everything you need. No installs, no permissions, no compromises. Swipe down, tap the tile, and capture your screen like a pro. If this saved you a download, hit subscribe for more hidden Android features, and check the description for a link to my guide on native screenshot tricks you're probably missing.